Treehouse Comics proudly presents Dogman, Grime and Punishment. Written and illustrated by Dav Pilkey as George Beard and Harold Hutchins, with color by Jose Garibaldi. Chapter 5. A bunch of stuff that happened next. Soon. Help wanted. Inquire within. P.S. No dogs.
Hey, Chief! I think somebody is here on the new job!
Let him in, Buster! Why? Huh? Hey! Give me that! You let go of that right now! Whoa! Hey! Is it you? But Dogman, you can't be here. If Mary ever finds out... Hey, Chief! Mary is here! Shh! Why is it so damp in here? Well, you see, Never mind that! Have you found a replacement for Dogman yet? Well, gee whiz, Mayor. We've only... What about him? A cat-headed man would be perfect. So clean, so smart, and he has 9 lives. We should hire him. Well, okay. Awesome! I think I have Dogman's old badge in my pocket. Ah, here it is. Well, look at that. It fits perfectly. Congratulations! Welcome to the force. Hey! I solved another problem. I can't wait to go home and tell Mrs. Snookums. Ha ha! Oh boy, this is gonna be great. Meanwhile, how's the gelato?
Good.
Hey, I started building a new robot this weekend. I could really use your help this week.
I can't.
Why not?
I'm meeting with my comic club this week.
Look, robots are more important than comics.
Why?
Because we need robots for protection.
Why?
Because Grandpa might escape from jail again.
Why?
Because he's an evil villain.
Why?
Because he does terrible things.
Why?
Because he only cares about himself.
Why?
Because that's just the way he is.
Why?
Would you stop that?
Why?
Because it's irritating.
Why?
Hey, get off of me.
Why?
Because I don't want you dripping all over me.
Why?
Because I don't want to be all sticky.
I won't trip on you, Papa. See? Oh!
Meanwhile...
I can't believe my good fortune! This place has everything, including an escape door. Now I just need one last thing. Oh, snug!
Boy, kitty.
Hey, can I try on your hat?
Sure. Here you go, kitty. Chapter 6. The Incorrigible Crud.
Me, Crud! Crud, smash! What Crud do next? Oh, look! Crud, see, exit! Crud, exit, and wreak havoc! Crud, plunge! Crud, kick! Crud, provide unnecessary narration!
Meanwhile...
I'm sorry, Papa.
Yeah, right. I told you not to climb on me with that gelato. Rinso-rama. Ready?
Are you still mad at me, Papa?
A little, but I'll get over it.
Good. It's important to forgive, right, Papa?
Yeah, I guess so. But you can't just forgive everybody.
Why not?
Because some folks don't deserve it. Like your grandpa.
Oh, I forgave Grandpa a long time ago.
How could you forgive that guy? He kidnapped you. He left you in a recycle bin. He's betrayed you every chance he's gotten. What kind of a monster
Hey,
would...
Papa, look! I caught a worm!
Are you even listening? Meanwhile...
Good evening, folks. I'm Sir Hattoff with the news. A weird spider-like cat is busting up the city.
Crud, steal!
Tell us, Mr. Crud, what's it like being a ruthless villain?
If Crud be totally honest, and a little bit lonely, Crud wish him have someone to talk to.
Did you hear that, Dogman? That evil cat is looking for a sidekick. And that gives me an idea. You must go undercover. Deep undercover. You must convince that Crud guy that you're just as evil as him. And now for the final touch. Perfect. Now get out there and make me proud.